Great.
You see that door right there that's open? Mm-hmm. Can we close that door, please? Okay, we gotta screw it closed.
We have to put a screw.
Oh boy. Oh Lord. This is crazy. You see that one? The next to last one?
Yeah.
We have to try to get that closed.
Okay.
So the air that's supposed to be going downstairs is coming out here.
Okay.
What they're saying is that some rooms are getting heat and then some rooms aren't getting heat. So it's because some of them are open, like it's literally open. Okay. Right? We have to see what's inside of here. See the door?
Yeah.
Yeah. So open that door. You see the dampers?
They are closed. The other one only, just one only open.
Is anything up?
It's closed. Yeah, that one is closed.
Okay. All right, Dave, close them, please. Oh, I see. That's the coil. That's the hot water. So the hot water is right here. When you open there, it jumps over. It jumps over the coil. So this is taking air from outside and it's sending the outside air into the building. Open them just a little bit. There's a tiny little bit. Close it. Close it. All the way. Close it. Now open a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. Yep.
So, you want to close now?
Yes. And we got to do that for all the floors.